What is R.E.A.C.H? R.E.A.C.H is the itty-bitty 10-second-a-day thing that you do to build habits. It's behaviors, these consulting behaviors. It'll put you one step above the peers, the competition, the people that are also looking for the same job you're trying to get. Okay, so this is not just for consultants, it's very important. Just take 5 seconds. If you're about to have a meeting, is there a risk that a key stakeholder won't show up or that we could finish early? That could be an opportunity to save them time, win trust. Engagement of stakeholders, back to that warmth and connection, the human side of things. Did we have that touch? Did I speak their language? Did I pay attention to where they're strong and what commonalities that we have? This helps us keep on track of the big picture. But how does it really align to what we're trying to achieve? Maybe I can bake a cake, but if the mission is a wedding, well, it's not just that I bake a cake. This is a milestone element, key ingredient, and the timing of when we enjoy it and who enjoys it and the symbolism. So alignment. Communications, don't take this for granted, team. Right people, right information, right way, right time. That means making sure that people hear things when they need to hear it and engaging them to ensure receipt of that communication. And finally, a habit, that's what you're gonna leave with today. Can I make this so automatic, I don't have to think about it anymore? And then I can focus on other things.